For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a charter fishing business can be a rewarding way to turn your passion for the sea into a profitable venture. With the help of today's free AI tools, even beginners can plan, launch, and market a charter service more efficiently and professionally. This guide walks you step by step through launching a charter fishing business using free AI resources, including prompts to get the most out of tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and others. Step 1. Research the industry and define your niche. Begin by understanding the charter fishing market in your area. Identify your target clientele. Will you offer offshore sport fishing for experienced anglers or calm inshore family trips? Use ChatGPT to quickly summarize trends and customer expectations. Prompt: what are the current trends and customer expectations in the charter fishing industry in your region? Use Google Trends or Answer the Public to discover what people are searching for around fishing charters. These insights will help you tailor your services effectively. Step 2. Draft a business plan using AI. A detailed business plan is essential. You can use ChatGPT to outline your objectives, pricing, market analysis, startup costs, and long-term strategy. Prompt: create a simple business plan for a charter fishing business in your location that targets families/sport fishing tourists/etc. Include startup costs, services offered, pricing structure, and expected revenue. AI tools like Notion AI or ClickUp AI can also help structure and store your plan digitally for ongoing updates and team collaboration. Step 3. Estimate startup costs and create a budget. Determine the cost of acquiring a suitable boat, fishing equipment, permits, insurance, dockage, and maintenance. Use Excel or Google Sheets to itemize costs, but generate the budget draft with AI. Prompt: list typical startup and operating costs for a small charter fishing business, including licenses, boat purchase or lease, insurance, fuel, and crew pay. Use ChatGPT to help create a basic financial projection and break-even analysis. Prompt: create a 12-month financial projection for a fishing charter business with $500 per day rates, 100 expected trips annually, and estimated monthly costs of $3,000. Step 4. Handle legal and regulatory requirements. You'll need a captain's license, such as a U.S. Coast Guard OUPV license, vessel registration, liability insurance, and possibly a business license. ChatGPT can help list the specific regulatory steps based on your state. Prompt: what licenses and permits are required to start a fishing charter business in state/country? Use AI to draft waiver templates, safety guidelines, or trip contracts. Prompt: write a basic liability waiver for a fishing charter business to protect against injuries or accidents. Step 5. Choose and equip your boat. Whether buying or leasing, the right boat is central to your business. Use AI to research boat types that match your budget and service type. Prompt: what type of boat is best for inshore fishing charters for small groups of 4 to 6 people? Also, ask AI for a checklist of safety gear, fishing equipment, and comfort upgrades like seating, shade, and cooler storage. Prompt: make a checklist of gear and accessories needed to outfit a fishing charter boat for tourists. Step 6. Develop your branding and logo with AI tools. Free tools like Canva offer AI-assisted logo design, branding kits, and social media templates. You can also use ChatGPT to generate brand name ideas. Prompt: suggest 10 creative business name ideas for a fishing charter company based in your town, focused on family-friendly tours. Once you settle on a name, use Loca, free version, or Canva to design your logo, business cards, and basic flyers. Step 7. Build a website and social media presence. A simple website can be built for free using tools like Wix, Google Sites, or WordPress.com. Use ChatGPT to write your homepage, service descriptions, and FAQs. Prompt: Write homepage copy for a fishing charter business in location, highlighting family trips, sunset cruises, and private fishing excursions. For social media, Canva's AI-powered template assistant will help you create branded posts, and ChatGPT can generate your captions. Prompt: write 5 Instagram post captions for a new fishing charter business promoting summer trips and local wildlife sightings. Step 8. Set your booking system and pricing strategy. Use free booking tools like Calendly, paired with a PayPal or Stripe account, to manage reservations. Use AI to help evaluate competitive pricing. Prompt: what is the average price for half-day and full-day fishing charters in your location? Then ask ChatGPT to help create clear pricing tiers and package descriptions. Prompt: create descriptions for 3 charter fishing packages: 4-hour inshore trip, 6-hour reef trip, and 8-hour deep-sea trip. Step 9. Launch a marketing campaign using AI. AI can simplify digital marketing. Use ChatGPT to write your email announcements, blog posts, and advertising copy. Prompt: write a launch announcement email for a new charter fishing business, offering 10% off first-time bookings. Use Google Bard or ChatGPT to plan an SEO strategy and generate blog topics. Prompt: list 10 SEO blog topics for a fishing charter website that could attract tourists in location. Use Meta's free ad manager to test social media ads and Canva's video creator to make short promotional reels. Step 10. Manage customer experience and online reviews. Your long-term success depends on repeat customers and good reviews. Use ChatGPT to craft thank you messages and review requests. Prompt: write a short thank you email to a customer after a charter trip and ask them to leave a Google review. You can also use ChatGPT to help you respond professionally to both positive and negative reviews. Prompt: write a polite and professional response to a 4-star review from a customer who had a great time but mentioned the boat was a little warm. Conclusion: launching a charter fishing business has never been more accessible thanks to free AI tools that can streamline every step, from business planning to marketing and customer service. With the right blend of maritime skill and AI-powered efficiency, you can create a sustainable business that lets you share your passion for the ocean while earning a solid income. Whether you're crafting a brand, planning your service packages, or scheduling customers, AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and Google Trends are like having a team of assistants at your side. Take the first step, cast your line into this venture, and let smart tech help you navigate toward success. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.